So hello guys, in this video we will talk about why being inconsistent is so hard for some people, and while for others it's so easy that whatever they decide to do, it becomes easier for them to do something. So guys, in this video we will talk about what are the mistake and struggle that we go through in our everyday life which creates that inconsistency and how we can overcome it. So guys, the first thing is that most people have a strong urge to do something, but they often procrastinate. They tell themselves that they will do that later, but over time that habit builds up, and whatever they try to do, they delay that task over time, and even the small task becomes hard for them in the everyday's life. So guys, the solution for that does not lie in us, but it often lies in our brain and how it sees other things or other tasks. So guys, our brain wants to do those things which makes it happier, which releases the dopamine, which makes it feel something. That's why it often ignore those tasks which matter a lot, and they are boring at starting, but in the longer term they are more rewarding. So guys, that's why we often enjoy playing video games, playing music, but we don't enjoy reading books, going to gym every single day, or doing the hard things which has a longer term reward. So guys, the second mistake that most people make is that they are surrounded with too much distractions. It can be their phone, social media, their friends, that whenever they want to do certain tasks, that distraction comes along, they get off track from it. Thus at the end, when they realize that they have done nothing but thus the only procrastinated on that thing. So guys, the solution for that is, I'm not saying you should remove all the distractions, every friend, or so delete all the social media, but you can utilize that into the useful things which will give you longer term rewards rather than the shorter term which has no meaning in your life. The third and the most important mistake that most people make is that they wait for the perfect time. They wait for being motivated and wait for the perfect moment to feel good, but that moment never comes. Thus, whatever we wanna do in our life, we have to act as soon as possible so that we don't overthink that much and do those things as soon as possible. So guys, that was for today's video. Thank you.